Now children, after study of spectrum, types of spectrum, next content of this unit is emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. As you know, emission spectrum means when emitted radiations or emitted light is analyzed. The resultant spectrum is known as emission spectrum. What about emission spectrum of hydrogen? In this case, in discharge tube. This is rough sketching of discharge tube. What is taken in this discharge tube for study of emission spectrum of hydrogen? Hydrogen gas, right? N molecules of hydrogen gas present in this discharge tube. Again, same conditions are required. High voltage, right? Which is 10,000, and low pressure. Then what happens? Emission of radiations. And when emitted radiations are analyzed, then what is observed in its emission spectrum? Arrangement of different lines in different regions of electromagnetic spectrum. Like this. Systematic arrangement of different series of lines. This is lower energy level, which is given as N1. Next, higher N2. Next one, N3. N4. The next one, N5. Right? This is increasing order of energy level. So what happens, children, what happens when heating is done on heating or at high voltage? What happens? Loss of electrons. Loss of electrons. But any excited form, either at moderate temperature, at moderate voltage, or at very high voltage, any excited form is always unstable state. Right? This bottommost line is showing stable state of electron, and this is unstable state because this is high energy state. Right? Then what happens? High energy state. This forward direction is showing absorption of energy, which is given as plus E, and this arrow, downward directed arrow, is showing emission of light, and energy of emitted radiations is given as minus E. Minus means loss of energy and plus means gain of energy, absorption of energy. Then what happens, children? When electron returns from any higher energy level to first energy level. First higher energy level is N2. From N2 to N1. Right? Next is from N3 to N1. Next one from 4 to this. Next 5 to this. And last was from infinite energy level. Then what happens? Series of lines is obtained. Who stated the series of line in the first energy level? Lyman, which is also known as the Lyman series. This series of line is known as Lyman series, right? And what is the region of electromagnetic spectrum where Lyman series is obtained is the UV region, ultraviolet region of electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, children. Next possibility. Electron can return from any higher to second energy level. This is downward directed arrow, which is showing returning of electron or jumping of electron from higher to lower. Right? From any higher to second energy level, any higher to second energy level. So this series of line is known as Balmer series. Right? And who studied state Balmer. So series is known as Balmer series, and this series of line is obtained in which part of electromagnetic spectrum? Visible part. Visible part of electromagnetic spectrum. Remaining three series from any higher. One is like this. From any higher like this. Which is right. From now third one. First possibility from fourth to third one. Fifth to this one. Next one. Infinite energy level. This series offline is known as Paschen series. Third one, Paschen series, right? And this series is obtained in which part? Infrared, IR. Next one from first higher, which is fifth energy level, then from infinite. This series is known as bracket series of line. Bracket series. Last one is Fund series from any higher energy level. Suppose next higher is 6. So first higher energy level for this fifth energy level is 6, right? And then from infinite to this. Like this. First higher and next. Okay. So this series of line is known as Fund series. Okay. What is part of electromagnetic spectrum? This one is IR. Bracket is also IR, infrared, and Fund series infrared. Three series are obtained in which part? IR, and two series in different part of electromagnetic spectrum, right? So this is brief description of emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. Okay children? So first possible question, although atomic number of hydrogen is 1, atomic number of hydrogen is 1, but in its emission spectrum series of lines is obtained. What is the reason? Okay, what is the reason? When n molecules of hydrogen gas are present on excitation, how many electrons are lost? N number of electrons. Okay, so this is a probability. You know, any higher is always unstable state, so electron can jump from first higher to ground state, from next higher to ground, next higher to ground. In this manner, series of lines are obtained in emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. Okay, what is the value of limiting line for each series? Value of energy level for limiting line is always infinite. Okay children, now calculation of wave number. This is related with energy, and according to Planck's equation, relationship between wavelength and energy is given as, this is what is Planck's equation, E is equal to h nu. E is equal to h is Planck's constant, and nu frequency of radiation. You know, nu is equal to c by lambda. When value of nu is substituted in this formula, what is nu form of Planck's equation? H then dot c by lambda. So what is the relationship between energy of radiations and wavelength of radiations? Inversely proportional, right? Next is relationship between wave number. As you know, wave number means number of waves in unit distance, in 1 centimeter distance is known as wave number. Wave number is given as nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Okay children, how many values are constant? First is Planck's constant, which is h is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule second. Right? Second is velocity of light, which is given as 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second or 10 raised power 10 centimeter per second. Clear? Only two factors are variable here. Okay children, if wavelength is given, we can calculate energy. Right? Or second significance, if wavelength is given, we can calculate wave number of any wavelength. Now, according to Rydberg, what is the relationship between energy level? Here it N denotes energy level, N1, N2, N3, N4, N5. So next formula is Rydberg formula. Rydberg formula is given for calculation of wave number, nu bar. Nu bar is equal to R, which is Rydberg constant, and 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square, and this is wave number, unit is centimeter inverse. Okay children, now application of Rydberg formula. For example, one problem is given here. Electron jumps from third energy level to first energy level. Then calculate its wave number. What is its wave number? Right? Then apply Rydberg formula. Nu bar is equal to, and Rydberg constant is 109,677. Right? Here N1 denotes lower energy level, N2 higher energy level. So according to this problem, lower energy level is N1. Right? And what is its value? 1. First value is starting from 1. And about N2, what is its value? 3. Number of energy level is equal to 3. Then how will you calculate this wave number according to this problem? 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 3. Third energy level, it means 3. Right? In terms of centimeters, we can calculate it. So this is the important significance of Rydberg formula. We can calculate wave number. After finding wave number, then wave number is equal to 1 by lambda. We can calculate lambda also 1 upon wave 1. Okay. Now next we can calculate energy also. E is equal to H into C by lambda. H is constant, C is constant, lambda from here. Then we can calculate energy of electron in any energy level. Okay children. Now application of Rydberg formula in different series of emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. For Lyman series, first value N1 is equal to 1 and N2 is equal to, first value starting from 2, then 3, 4 and 5. This is first higher energy level. Next series is Balmer series. Right? N1 in this formula, N1 is equal to, this is first energy level. Ground energy level for Balmer series, N1 is equal to 2. And what is next? Higher energy level, 3, 4, then 5. So first value is starting from 3, 4 and 5. Next series is Paschen series. N1 is equal to, ground energy level for this Paschen series is 3. N1 is equal to 3, which is lower energy level, and N2 is equal to, first higher is 4, then 5 and then 6. Right? After Paschen, then bracket series. For bracket series, N1 is equal to, what is its ground energy level? 4. N1 is equal to 4. And first higher energy level for bracket series is 5. N2 is equal to 5 and 6 and last is infinite. And then third series N1 is equal to 5 and N2 is equal to 6 last 5. Right children? So in this manner we can calculate wave number of electron in any series.